Look at this deliciousness, guys. We got a really cheesy, beefy spaghetti. Oh, so hot. Doesn't that look good? Let's try some. We have ground beef and meatballs. Super cheesy. I just made this. Oh man. Look at that cheese, guys. Bruh! Mm. Got my Coke in my cup. I also got some delicious ripe avocados here. I just put a little lime juice and pepper in there. Gives it a little bit of flavor. Let's get that skin off of there. Delicious. Mm. This is just so good. So how are you guys? It's been a really rainy day here. I'm cramping, yay! But I still decided to go ahead and record for you guys. This was really easy to make. I have plenty to eat here. Whoa. Hashtag not sharing. I think my avocado could have been a little more ripe. Might have to just let it sit for a minute. Uh-oh. How many of you guys like spaghetti? I've always been a big spaghetti person because my dad used to make goulash and spaghetti and pretty much anything with hamburger. He was a hamburger kind of guy. I found some tasty snacks at the store. I'm sure you want to see them. Good thing we have paper towels. Bitch. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Because of y'all be tempting me to buy shit just to try. These are the chocolate cake Twinkies limited edition for Halloween because it's October, y'all. That was like for Halloween, bro. Also found these pumpkin spice yogurt flavored pretzels. They might be good. We'll see. Today is my day off, so I was like, you know what? Might as well do some laundry. Might as well go to the grocery store. Might as well make a video. Let's see. Oh, well. We'll start with 2. Ooh. It's soft. Dad liked chocolate cake too. So that's why I like chocolate cake. I don't really like a lot of chocolate, but I like chocolate cake. I mean, who doesn't like chocolate cake? Oh yeah, look at this. Creamy goodness. Oh yeah, double time. Double stuff. Mmm. That's good. Kind of made it into like a giant chocolate Twinkie. Some pretty good spaghetti. I mean, there's no way I'm going to be able to eat all this, guys. You know that. But I did want to share with you what I was eating today. So why not just throw it on the tray and go bust out the video? Because it was just ooey gooey in the pan. And I was like, fuck yeah, they want to see that. I'm kind of disappointed in my avocados, though. At the store, they felt the mushiest. I mean, they're not ripe. I mean, they're just not ripe at all, really. I mean, they're just barely ripe enough, basically. I don't know what this avocado would be good for. Probably definitely good a couple days. But that's okay. I tried it. I was craving avocado, so I had to get one. But of course, it wasn't ripe yet. I like them when they're a little mushier. So they're like eating butter. Because they are kind of like the butter of the vegetable world. Saucy. I was gonna try those pumpkin spice pretzels, but fine, I'll do it for you guys. Flavors of the holidays. This is what they look like. once again, pleasantly surprised. It's like cream from the yogurt. And you have that delicious, like, pumpkin spice flavor. And then the salt and crunch from the pretzel. It all goes together very well. I would buy it again. Try it before you buy it. I know I'm weird. Also got these cheesy garlic bread potato chips to go with my delicious spaghetti. Oh, these look different. That's not what I thought they were gonna look like. Just regular potato chips. That's cheesy garlic. Well, I believe I am going to be going to my family this evening. I'm a huge Walking Dead fan, so me and my brother watch that together. Hopefully he can come get me tonight, and we can go watch that together. Well, that means I need to get off here, get ready, and call that dude. Which means I gotta say goodbye to you guys. But don't worry, I'll be back soon. New mukbangs to come. Stay safe.